Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Lady V. Now, Lady V is discussing fire that broke out, that the three kids perished in, the three boys died in the fire. She's talking about that, and she's having a discussion. Please go over and watch the video, draw your own conclusion, and comment, like, share, and subscribe.
It's our losing kids. Wesley, good night to all. Nadia, a few things itching me where he's concerned. Like, seriously, a few things. Few things not sitting as smoothly as it should sit with me, but I think I may want to reserve my judgment for a little. People grieve different. Who are they to judge? Was they there? All right. I'm a mother, and I'm gonna start from this position as a parent. If I You're on the live chat. Hi, darling.
No, I hear the few things, but why itch you first before me say what me I say.
I'm a mother, and if I heard that a fire is at a place, and when I get to the scene of the fire, it's my house, and my children is inside that house. My children. Even with great danger to myself, I'd be running in the fire for my kids. There's so many pieces. Just the thought of the kids being burnt in a fire, and you're still saying you want them cremated. The last thing you should want near those children is fire. Let me shut my mouth, yeah, man. I'm not say nothing.
Those are it. Yeah. That's how I feel too. Like
looking at the GoFundMe situation.
Yeah.
Looking at the fact that you put out the uniform and everything like that, and then it happened, and then you know what? Shut my mouth, yeah, man.
Listen to me just call over what's the name, over Mixup boss over the time, and this is how me tell him, I'm going to tell you the same thing, that's how me feel. No, we can't prove anything right now because we would not know without having some proof, right? And we're not doubting, don't get us wrong, guys, we're not saying anything is a crime here because coincidentally, things can really happen the way it does. However, there's things to trauma, there's things to accidents, and especially a fire incident that causes certain types of reaction, right? So, to me, even in bringing up the baby mother was weird to me in that moment. Your baby mother went missing, then you bring that up, they pick them bun up, and then I was actually trying to look for the tears. Let me stop. Let me not even go there. Okay, God, me don't talk now. Okay.
No, you're not done talk.
The eye them when it could dry.
No, you're not done talk. You're going to keep talking. You're not going nowhere. We're having a conversation. We are having a conversation, miss. Let me tell you guys, and you may know why I'm saying what I'm saying, right? There is the whole matter of the uniforms and the caption that went with it. Then there's the matter of the parent, the mother of the boys being missing, all right? And then there is the Lord of His mercy. And then there is the drastic, me see one man I go in there, but me couldn't go in there. Me no want on candlelight. Me no want no, me want them cremated. Me no want no funeral. Me no want no nothing. Me no. Let me tell you, that is very telling. That is so telling. Like really telling. And if you listen to what the government is saying, the news, I mean social media people, where they must on freedom platform, who want to be inner things. Me say the news. Something not sit on good boat or something, you know. Did you know? Mark my
Lady,
word.
I'm gonna tell you
Something about this not
Yesterday when I
right.
was doing this on my live last night, there was something about it that I wasn't sure about. But one thing I'm not gonna do, especially with serious cases like this, I am waiting for some things to unfold. But just like many other, we give people reasons to judge us. So there's a few things in place right now that he did that make us kind of feel questionable towards what he's saying. Now, it could very well be a coincidence, honestly, because bad things do happen. However, I'm going to wait for this to unfold because the climate of Jamaica right now, we have a lot of people crying and they're wicketons. We have a lot of murderers that act like them are a murderer and we don't know what to believe
You
anymore.
realize the level at which he went against the baby mother, the thing in him towards the baby mother.
Explain to me what you mean.
You heard the way he spoke of the baby mother, right?
Yes.
Was that the time for that?
Listen to me. I just felt like a lot of things he threw in there. That's what I said. The baby mama part, I don't think that was relevant, and I think that's really giveaway. That kind of that opens a room for him to be questioned. Honestly, when he brought that up for me, when I watched the video, I didn't see the tears anymore. I just started thinking in my head like,
hello,
hey.
From the uniform picture with the caption, from the kids them, from the daughter alone somehow, from the cremating, no candlelight, no nothing argument, from the GoFundMe situation and...
Can somebody go pull up the record in Jamaica to see if there's life insurance on these kids? Let me stop talking. Okay, we're gone. No, I'm not. Look at what we're dealing with, and we have a viral case right now on social media that's viral with Sweetie Pie's. Sweetie Pie's son, her only son, not her only son. I don't know how many kids she got, but that son that was so popular, he allegedly took the life of the nephew out of jealousy, and is in court pretending like it's not him. All of the secret come out after the fact. Every secret come out. So the mother have to sit down and take it right now. And he was presented to the world, to billions of people, as an innocent man. And he acted innocent. He acted like he was good, Lady D. So me tell her, say, me can't trust them all when them all.
But for me, I didn't see a man crying. I see a man wanted it to seem sad. I didn't see a man that was sad, and this is what I do. But what I saw was a man who wanted person to think I'm sad. I don't know.
I didn't get the tears out of his eyes, and I feel like when a person is traumatized to that degree, there's absolutely no way we're not going to see your face flood up, nose not, you're supposed to sound stuff.
No, you could be numb. Maybe he's in shock. He could be numb, but I'm not seeing the numbness either. When I listen to him, not seeing the tears could be due to him being numb. Not seeing the tears could be being in shock. But the words are not shock words, are numb words. I remember I would know these things.